So I don't have much space in my house, so I decided to design and print this. This just goes on top of the waste bin like this. And you put your tissue box on top like that. And you have room to throw away your tissues. So you can see here, it's just a slight press fit, but it's strong enough that you can pick up the whole can by that. And you can't really shift it this way or this way. So the way this works is there's a wedge slot there. The wedge is just to guide it into place, and a wedge slot there. And you can see the distance there is right here, which is at the widest point. So as you get smaller, it'll just wedge itself into place and won't move this way. So on the back here, we have a back stopper plate that makes it so it can't move this way. So the way this is printed is upright like this. So at the front here, I had to do a wedge and not a 90 degree just to make it so it'd print and there wouldn't be a large overhang that's 90 degrees. The trash bin can be found at Target, which I'll leave a link in the description down below. And I will leave a link to the 3D model for this in case you want to print yourself. Hopefully this inspired an idea of your own. Let me know how I'm doing in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.